morning children, third class children. Good morning everyone. So children, how are you? So everyone are listening the classes children. So how you are revising the classes children? So with the help of textbooks you are revising or not? Yes. So the body system we have been started children, that is 11th class. It's 11th lesson, okay? Lesson number 11. The body system. So good morning everyone children. So which lesson we have been started? The body system. We have started this lesson. We have completed. So how many systems I explained you? How the body is made up of, I explained you. So what are the systems that help our body? I have explained you everything with the help of diagrams, as well as in Telugu also I explained you. So here match the following we completed in the summative assessment. So now we will move to the question answers. So question answers also once I will revise you. Define an organ. So here what is telling, what is mean by define an organ. What is mean by organ is telling to define us. So here now we will define what is an organ. The organ that help us to know about what is happening. The organ అనేది it helps. అది ఏం హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది? టు నో అబౌట్ వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ సరౌండింగ్స్. మన యొక్క చుట్టుపక్కల ఆర్గాన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హెల్పింగ్ అస్ టు నో వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ in our surroundings. Area is called sense organ. So whatever in our surrounding it is happening, so it is knowing about that is known as sense organs. So first one is what is define an organ. What make up skeleton system? Skeleton system ni what it is made up of ani adugutunnaru. We see with our eyes. So here what is telling, define an organ. So here we are telling for you what this one is the organ. So here 10th lesson, okay, lesson number 10, that is question answers, sense organs. So second one is what is a sense organ? The organ that help us to know about what is happening in our surroundings are called sense organ. Next we see. Why do we need eyes? We see with our eyes. It help us to recognize the things and help around us. Why do we need ears? We need ears to hear different kinds of sounds. We can see difference between soft, loud, pleasant, unpleasant, near and far off sounds. What is the use of our nose? Our nose helps us to smell good and bad things. We breathe air through our nose. What is the use of our tongue? We can taste different things with our tongue. The taste buds on our tongue help us to identify the taste of the things and sweet, bitter, sour or salty. Tongue also help us to speak clearly. What is the use of our skin? We can feel with the help of our skin. Skin covers our whole body. We can feel and recognize things hot or cold, dry or wet, soft or hot, tough or smooth. So these are the 10th lesson question answers. So now I will move to the 11th lesson question answers. Define an organ. What is a organ? Cells of the same kinds join together to form a tissues. So here the cells whatever are there, they join together to form a tissue. So different tissues join to form of an organ. So many organs work together to do a particular job. So what is an organ? It is a cells of same kinds of a tissues, formed of tissues. Tarvata different tissues join to form an organ. Next, many organs work together in a particular job. What makes up skeleton system? The framework of a bone. The framework of a bone make up the skeleton system. There are 206 bones. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పాను There are 206 bones in a human body. There are 206 bones in a human body. What is the function of digestive system? What is the function of digestive system? The digestive system gets the food that we eat digested inside the body. What is the? He is asking function of a digestive system. It is a function water to digest the food inside of our body. What is the function of digestive system? How are muscles useful to us? The muscles make up the muscular system. Muscles allow us to move many parts of the body. Here, how are the muscles useful to us? The muscular make up the muscular system. Muscular muscles. So here the muscles make up the muscular system. Again, muscles allow us to move many parts of our body. Which organ pump blood to all parts of our body? Heart. Yes, the heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Next, which system helps the body to get rid of waste materials? The excretory system helps the body to get rid of the waste materials. The kidney throw out urine, lungs send out carbon dioxide, and the skin let out the sweat. So here excretory system valla manaku how it helps? It throw out the urine from our body. Next, with the help of lungs, we will use carbon. Next, it will be send out the carbon dioxide. Next, with the help of skin, we will get out from sweat, chamata. So these are the children's question answers of two lessons I explained you, 10th and 11th. I explained you 10th and 11th. Okay. So here we are moving to the next fill in the blanks of the lesson number 11. So first one is tissue, T-I-S-S-U-E, tissue, join together to make an organ. Here the first one is this one, children. Second one. So here tissue join together to make an organ. Okay. Next, second one. The air we take inhales. The air we take. The air we take in as. How we will take? Yes, in the oxygen. Okay. Next, the dash, dash and the dash from the circulatory system. The heart, next blood, next and the blood vessels. Forms the circulatory system. So this is the third one, heart, blood and blood vessels from the circulatory system. The brain and the nerves. So the brain and nerves from the nervous system. So fifth one is the kidneys. The kidneys throw out urine. So these are the 5 fill in the blanks that I have been wrote for you. Tissue joined together to make an organ. The air we take has oxygen, the heart, blood and the blood vessels from the circulatory system. The brain and the nerves from the nervous system. The kidneys throughout the urine. Next, here children same, the human body, this is a bit number C. So here I will only write tissue. So here correct the following statement by changing the underlined words. Write your answer in the space provided. Ikkada manaku wrong. The sentences anedi correct ichcharu. The human body is made up of tissue, no, cells. So ala akkada danu underline chesine mistake ayinayi. So aa mistake ayina daggara ee oka blank lo nenu em rastano, you have to write. Okay, tissue badalu you have to write cells. So first one I will write on the blackboard. The human body is made up of. So ఇక్కడ తను ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, టిష్యూ. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ సీ క్లియర్ఫుల్లీ టిష్యూస్ ఇచ్చాడు, హియర్ డాష్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ యొక్క టిష్యూ అనేది రాంగ్ సెంటెన్సెస్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ కరెక్ట్. ద హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఈజ్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్, ఈ డాష్లో సెల్స్ రాయాలి. సో అలాగే సెకండ్ వన్ కూడా మజిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ మేకప్ అవర్ స్కెలిటన్, ద బోన్స్. Answer is bones, you have to write instead of muscles. Next, third one, the lungs work like a pump, no, heart. The heart, the body has two bean shaped lungs, no, kidneys. So this is the fourth one. So next it is a, here only I will write fifth one till here fourth. The skin let out oxygen, no, sweat ni బయటకు తీస్తుంది. The sixth one is the nervous system is responsible for producing babies, no, reproductive. So it is a reproductive system. So these are the first one is the human body is made up of cells. The bones of the body make up skeleton. The heart works like a pump. The body has two bean shaped like kidneys. The skin let out sweat. The reproductive system is responsible for the producing babies. So next here bit number C also we completed children. Next we are moving to the bit number D. So first one it is match the following systems of to their function: muscular system, digestive system, nervous system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, reproductive system. So just I'll write 1, 2, 3 and I'll match here everyone. Okay. So here written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So muscular system. So A, digestive system, nervous system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, reproductive system. So ఈ systems కి we have to match here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. G ఉన్నాయి. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So here నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను మీకు. దెన్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ హియర్ ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ దగ్గర I will write, no need to bother. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So first one is muscular system. It is a moving body parts. F. Digestive system, digestion of food. A. Nervous system. It is E, controlling all body parts. E. Respiratory system, taking oxygen. G. Excretory system, throwing out the waste from the body. Next, circulatory system, producing. Circulatory system, pumping blood to all parts of our body. So here circulatory system is C. Excretory system D. Next, reproductive system, producing the children's. So F, A, E, G, D, C, B are the right options. So once again I will repeat you. Muscular system em chestundi, moving body parts. Digestive system, digestion of food avutundi. Nervous system em avutundi, controlling all parts of body. Respiratory system, taking in oxygen. Excretory system, throwing out waste from the body. Circulatory system, pumping bloods to all parts of our body. Reproductive system, producing children. So these are the match the following. Okay, so now I will rub this one and I will move to the bit number E. Take the right options. So here there are 5. The number of bones in our body? Yes, B, 206. B. The number of muscles in our body? 650. It is A. The smallest unit of our human body? Cell. C. The air we take in is oxygen. Our heart is situated in the left side. B, A, C, A, E, C. So here the right options. Again I will explain you children. First one is in మన యొక్క బాడీలో how many bones? There are 206 bones. Muscles 650 muscles. So ఇక్కడ you can see you have to tick like this. Everyone know how to tick, okay? So first one is 206, second one is 650. The smallest unit of our human body is cells. Smallest unit of our human body ante cells. Next, మన యొక్క ఊపిరి air we takes from what? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So it is oxygen. Next, our heart is situated at the dash side of our chest, left side of our chest, left. So these are the first answers. So hard question is given. When do we say that we are ill or not feeling well? So మనము ఇల్ మన యొక్క హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే ఎప్పుడు అంటాం, మనం ఎప్పుడు నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ వెల్ అని చెప్తాం. సో the present whatever the body we are suffering with any diseases we will call. So next, in one part of our machine does not function, do you think the machine will be function properly? మన యొక్క బాడీలో ఒక యొక్క బాడీ ఫంక్షన్ కాదు. Do you think the machine will be function properly? Yes. So example, ear, nose, whatever, some issues here, deaf. So here one party ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చేయకపోతే what is the how it will be function properly. So that I will take for you ears. With the help of machine, you can hear. So these are the lesson number 10. Also question answers I explained you. Next I will explain you 11th lesson. So I given for you some homework to draw this one and label the parts. So if you are interested, you can write digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system. You can draw the pictures and as well as you write the matter. If you are interested, you can draw. So yes, children, here we completed the lesson now, as well as here bits also, 3rd class children. So now we will move to the next lesson tomorrow. I will continue the next lesson children. So I will move. So here you write down this all in your textbooks, whatever I am telling, you write down children. So now I will do my class children. Thank you very much. And if you have contacts having with your friends, tell to take the books, whoever not taking the books children. Thank you.